Hello everyone, look at this inspirational picture from Pinterest. Today I'm going to make the table decoration like this, the skirt and the flower arrangement. Also, I'm using the red color, similar to this one. Okay, let's go. Okay, now first of all, we need to set up the tablecloth. The tutorial about how to set up this tablecloth and the quality check, you can find my old video. The links are listed on the information field below this video. Okay, then we need to put the floral foam on this place. Normally, we can use our floral foam. Look at this. There's a clip on the back, so you can clip it. You can clip it on the table, but this one a little bit hard to find, and if you don't want to buy the floral foam from me, you can use this one. You can buy it anywhere. Okay, so first of all, look at this. There are iron clips on the table, so we can tie it on the table. So let's take the measurement. Okay, this place. Put a string here and push it. And let's add one more clip here. Okay, complete it with 3 clips. Let's put on the table skirt firstly. Okay, now let's tie it. There's a hole here. Just tie them together. There's a hole here. Tie them on the clip will be okay. I will show you the effect. Okay, look, I tie it on the clip, so the foam will not move. Even push from this side, it will hold on the table, sturdy, firmly. Okay, next step, just put on the flower and leaf will be okay. Okay, look, I complete with the flower on the desktop. Let's check the detail later, but first of all, we need to make a flower set for this place. Okay, now first of all, we need to pick a stand, flower stand, holder stand, flower holder, whatever. But which color will suitable for our design? Which one? Let me try. How about pick a golden color? Okay, and we need to cut a foam, floral foam. Anyway, we got a small piece. Look at it, there's 4 prints in the bowl, so I can put it on. Oh, it's too, the foam is small. But anyway, put it in. Then let's put on the leaf and our flower will be okay. I will show you the effect. Okay, completed. Let's take a look. Do you like the design? Let's check the detail. Okay, look, I use a lot of flowers. This type of red rose and our top rose and our rose, the nude color goes well with the red. And also I have some white color. A lot of leaf, this leaf, this leaf, this leaf, this leaf, this leaf, this leaf. A lot of leaf. And I also use the flower white, and using the flower white and the leaf white, so the flower, the side of the table will drag on the side. The effect will be very pretty. And about the rose, because I use different lengths, this length, this length, and this is shortest length of the stem. So we can make the flower dropping layer, and layer, and use the different lengths of the stem to make the flower. Vivid in different layers also. Okay, this is the flower bowl. Okay, and also I need to share you some tips. Okay, if you want to put a lot of greenery on your arrangement, just insert the leaf stem. Just insert the leaf stem. It cannot make the well-looking effect. It's hard to just put. Even you use different layers of the different lengths of the leaves to put on the flower, the effect will not good. So I found a better way by using our red wire, our leaf wire. Our leaf wire, there are some iron wire inside, so you can wrap it around the flower, so the small leaf will very close and the side are matched with the flower. The effect will be much more pretty, better than you just put on the leaf. Look at this, I wrap the leaf around the flower, so the come out will be better, because even we are not professionals, the effect will be pretty. And there's another tips. Look at this. If you just using the long stem to put here, but there's no leaf on, if no leaf on the stem, but you need to add some leaf. So by using this method, using our leaf and put the flower head on the stem like this one, so the draping like this will be better just using a stem, or you can using a stem and add some leaf to go together with the stem. The effect will be okay also. So this is the some experience when I put on the flower. I just want to share with you. Okay, let's take a look. The draping flowers on the side, so it cannot take the effect from the screen, but actually it's very beautiful. If you like my design and would like to make the decoration like this, and if you trust me, you can buy all the material from me. I supply all the material I use on the video, the tutorial, include the fabric, the table skirt, the flower, the leaves, the bows, everything. So you can buy the material by once. Send me a message via Facebook page. Will be okay. And my Facebook page link, you can find it from the information field below this video. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.